Hello everyone, this is Shriram Balaji. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create your first page using Power Pages. Let's get started. What is a page in Power Pages? A page in Power Pages is a web page which acts like a container for all your content or components. Each page has a unique URL in a website. They can also be a parent and a child relationship between web pages. So I'll be showing that how we can do in a second, how we can add pages and sub pages. Now let's go to the Power Pages Design Studio. So here, if you see, there is the Pages workspace. So we go to the Pages workspace, and I go ahead and say add a page. So basically, a Pages workspace is a workspace where you can design and build web pages. You can also add no code and low code widgets. I'll be showing what widgets you can add. So for now, we'll have once you say add a page, it'll ask you to enter the page name. I'll say this is my first page. So you also have an option of saying whether you want to add this page to the main navigation. I would say yes. So if you don't want to add it to the main navigation, then it will come to other pages. So I'll just go ahead and check this. So the thing is, now once I see here there are two layouts. I'll explain what is layouts in a few seconds. There are two types of layouts. One is standard layouts and custom layouts. So standard layouts are layouts which is provided by Microsoft. So you have start from blank, and you have a few other layouts. For now, I will actually choose start from blank and click on add. So what this does is adds your first page. You can see this is in the main navigation. Now I can choose any of the components, to add in this web page. So for now, just I click on text, and I'll just call it my first page. Now this is your first page. Let me talk about layout here, right? So layout basically is what you can do is you can actually add a web page, and when you say a blank layout, a layout is basically a part of the website design. This deals with the arrangements of visual elements on the web page. So here, if you look at it, I chose a blank, layout. So what a blank layout did is it actually created a header. If you look at it, this is the header, and you have the navigation, the header, the navigation, and this is the content of the web page, and finally this is a footer. So what happened when I choose a blank layout, it actually added the header. Typically a header is used for in a website where you have the images, you have some kind of a logo or stuff like that. Here I'm choosing Contoso logo is here, and content where we have any of the content of the web page, and footer basically we has some kind of a copyright or information, stuff like that. So that is the layout. Now once we created the first page, now I can go ahead and actually create a sub page. So what I'll do is I'll just say add a new sub page. Here I'll choose sub page as my layout. Let me go ahead and call it my first sub page. So what is happening here is uh, you have the first my first page. Under my first page you have the sub page. So this is what is the sub page. This occurs under the page, right, in the navigation. So now what I can do, I can just go ahead and click on preview. So this asks me whether I want to preview this in my desktop. I say yes. You can also preview on a mobile if you actually choose this, but you need to scan the QR codes. For now, I'll go ahead and click desktop. So as you can see in the URL, so you can say this is my website, and this is my first page, and this is my sub page. So that's also the name. So under the first page, you have the my first sub page. So if you see here in the navigation, so you have the my first page, right? So under the page, you have the sub page. So you can also see what is the default available pages that is available. So you can see a page. This is the page, and under that there are two sub pages. So that's that. I'll also want to just show you what are the different layouts. So I just say a landing page layout. This is basically a landing page layout. It's for your home page. So we already have a home page. I just want to show you how a landing page layout will look like. So here you go. So here you have the header. You have some content which is already created for you, like for a headline, and add a call to action button and stuff like that. And then you have some more content here, and then finally you have the footer. So you have some default content for your page. So you that is the landing page. Typically it's used for a landing page used for your home pages. So we also have something called custom layout. I'll not be covering it here. So this basically what you can do is you can actually your developers can create a custom layout for the uh, for the mostly used pages. So they can create a custom layout, and you can choose one of those custom layouts for your site. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.